Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Gohar Publishers. This is Hamna bint Shehzad. Our motto is redefining the geography of education through digital resources for conceptual learning. Dear teachers and dear students, आज के इस वीडियो लेसन में हम देखेंगे गौहर इंग्लिश फॉर द ग्रेड 6 का यूनिट नंबर 8 एंड द टाइटल ऑफ यूनिट इज ओवर पॉपुलेशन. एक्सरसाइज को स्टार्ट करते हैं. ऑरल कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स. प्रैक्टिस द डायलॉग बिटवीन टू फ्रेंड्स फॉर गेटिंग हायर एजुकेशन. अच्छा, व्हेनेवर वी टॉक अबाउट एनी रोल प्ले या एनी डायलॉग, तो आपने अपनी क्लास में से दो स्टूडेंट्स लेने हैं. एक स्टूडेंट एक कैरेक्टर को प्ले करेगा एंड द सेकंड वन विल प्ले द अदर कैरेक्टर. नाउ अब यहाँ पे दो कैरेक्टर है, वन इज फाखिर एंड सेकंड वन इज कामरान. अब आप दो स्टूडेंट्स क्लास में से लेंगे. नाउ हेलो कामरान, हेलो, व्हाट आर योर प्लान्स फॉर द फ्यूचर? I want to get higher education. Can you tell me how you may go to about this? Yes, why not? After doing BA and B8, I want to join a school as a teacher. I don't want to be dependent financially on my family for so many years. Well, that's a good plan. What about your dream of higher education? After getting a job at school, I'll do my MA, but you will have to do a lot of hard work. Yes, this may be challenging. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala help you with your plans. Ameen. Now, अब इसी तरीके से आपने बच्चों को अपनी क्लास में जो ग्रुप्स बनाने हैं और उनसे पूछना है कि वो फ्यूचर में क्या करना चाहते हैं, यानी कि उनके फ्यूचर प्लान्स क्या हैं. नाउ अब चलते हैं रीडिंग के पार्ट पे. आंसर द क्वेश्चंस. What is an ecosystem? All the living and non-living things in an area that and the way they affect each other is an ecosystem. How does overpopulation affect the ecosystem? When there are more people, we need more resources. That is, we need more schools, hospital, houses, food, roads and factories. How does the excessive use of natural resources affect the environment? The growing use of natural resources due to the growing population will lead to the scarcity of these resources. What are the risks of marine life because of overpopulation? Overpopulation is also affecting the marine life. When we throw plastic, it will break down much quicker into the particles, which in turn end up in the seafood for the sea life. How does the plastic thrown into the water bodies affect human life? Plastic takes hundreds of years to fully decompose. Some of them break down much quicker into the particles, which in turn end up in seafood we eat. Now, put a tick if the statement is true and a cross if it is false. It is expected that the world population will increase in the future. Correct. Living and non-living things in an ecosystem do not affect each other. Wrong. Population causes depletion of natural resources in overpolluted countries. Correct. Pakistan is included in the list of overpopulated countries. Correct. Plastic decomposes easily into small particles and is good for the environment. Wrong. I hope आपको आज का वीडियो लेसन पसंद आया होगा. एक नए वीडियो लेसन के साथ हम फिर मिलेंगे. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज.